And we're getting some more updates on this growing rift within the Mahagathbandhan camp. We're now learning that the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha has gone on to accuse the RJD of sabotaging the India bloc. Rahul Gandhi, we're told, is likely to be calling for a meeting later this week to discuss the coalition woes, particularly in the poll-bound state of Bihar. And as per Congress sources, they have also informed us that the party won't succumb to pressure tactics to name Tejasvi as the chief ministerial face in Bihar, as all are equal in the alliance.
हम लोगों को गुमराह किया गया, हमें डार्क में रखा गया, हमारे साथ राजनीतिक धूर्तता की गई, आरजेडी की तरफ से भी हमें विश्वासघात मिला। परंतु कांग्रेस जो इंटरवेन कर सकती थी, मामलों को देख सकती थी, राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर बड़ी पार्टी हम लोग मानते हैं, बड़े भाई की भूमिका में, उनकी भी भूमिका उचित प्रतीत नहीं हुई। और ऐसे माहौल में चुनाव क्या लड़ना, जब अपनों ने ही धोखा दिया, तो फिर अब आगे रास्ता तय करेगी हमारी पार्टी, हमारे नेता तय करेंगे कि आगे कैसे राजनीतिक सफर तय करना है, किन लोगों पर भरोसा करना है, गठबंधन आगे चलाने का औचित्य है, नहीं है, क्या कुछ है।
My colleague Pallavi Ghosh is now joining us on the broadcast. Pallavi, I mean, the same story tends to play out every now and then. First, we had seen something like this of a tussle in Delhi when Delhi was going into polls, and now we're seeing a big tussle between the Congress and its key alliance partner, that's the RJD in Bihar. What really is happening here? And when the Congress says pressure tactics on part of the RJD, they mean?
Yes, absolutely. And, we have to understand the Congress's problem, the pressure. So in state after state, we see what is happening in Jammu and Kashmir. We saw what was happening during seat-sharing talks in Maharashtra, in Delhi, where Arvind Kejriwal or the Aam Aadmi Party walked out of the alliance. And we are seeing now it is happening in Bihar, where RJD has remained one of the fiercest and the staunchest ally of the Congress party. But, at the end of the day, for Tejasvi Yadav and his party, this is a do-or-die election. This is an election where he's trying to emerge as a strong challenger and contender to Nitish Kumar and to the NDA. Therefore, they don't want to spoil any of the chances, and many of them feel that the Congress party, with its needless assertions that we want to contest on more than 60 seats, is only going to end up making the Mahagathbandhan weak and spoil the chances of the RJD. One thing which the RJD certainly wants at this point of time is that Rahul Gandhi should name and officially project Tejasvi Yadav as the CM face of the Mahagathbandhan. As of now, the Congress party has made no commitment. What they are saying is that we are looking at some joint rallies between Tejasvi Yadav and Rahul Gandhi, but we are a national party. We also have a kind of astitwa in Bihar, and it may be hard to believe that, seeing the ground reality, but they argue that we have an astitwa also of ours in Bihar, and at this point of time, we cannot antagonize our cadre by naming Tejasvi Yadav. But the possibility at a later stage where Rahul Gandhi comes under pressure, does project Tejasvi Yadav as a Mahagathbandhan CM face, of course, cannot be ruled out.
Absolutely. And Pallavi, you would be able to assess that astitva better now that you are in Patna, in Bihar. We'll come back to you. We also have Amit Pandey joining us live from Patna. Amit, again, this entire conjecture of whether or not Tejasvi Yadav is going to be officially named as the chief ministerial face for the India bloc, that sword continues to hang over the RJD, and of course the RJD camp will be miffed about it. What do the common voter in Patna who is supportive of the India alliance, who is supportive of the RJD, really believe? Do they want Tejasvi Yadav as their next chief minister, if at all the Mahagathbandhan is able to skirt through this confusion and emerge victorious?
There's no doubt in Mahagathbandhan that Tejasvi Yadav, other leader who has taller stature than as compared to Tejasvi Yadav. So it was unheard, unwritten agreement between Congress and other allies when they were marching towards SIR march in Bihar earlier few weeks back, and also during the seat sharing negotiations, that Tejasvi Yadav would be the lead face. If not, at that time they announced the CM face. So what RJD was expecting that when the seat sharing announcement will happen, officially Mahagathbandhan will announce his name as the chief ministerial candidate, but that did not happen. In spite of that, in Mahagathbandhan camp, there is a feeling that no one should name any person officially about the CM phase, but they should move ahead. But as far as RJD, as far as Mali is concerned, they understand and they accept the fact that when it will come to the seat sharing negotiation, and after elections, ultimately Tejaswi's name will be accepted. So this is the whole scene in Mahagathbandhan, and due to this confusion, due to this misunderstanding in Mahagathbandhan, it gives a point to NDA to target this opposition party, and that point also within 3 days, what we saw, past 3 days, the ruling party has been targeting opposition because of this only. No seat sharing agreement, no CM phase announcement, and the candidates who are contesting against each other.
Right, Amit and Pallavi, do stay on with us. More reactions coming in.
जो दृश्य उत्पन्न वो उन लोगों ने किया है, उससे साफ जाहिर है कि वहाँ स्वार्थ की टकराहट है, स्वार्थ के लिए गठबंधन है। आरजेडी और कांग्रेस परिवारवादी पार्टी है, परिवार से बाहर सोचती नहीं है, उसके संस्कार में भ्रष्टाचार है, घोटाला है, अपराधियों को संरक्षण देने का है, और जहाँ स्वार्थ की राजनीति होगी वहाँ विकास पीछे छूटता है। नीतीश कुमार जी के नेतृत्व वाली एनडीए सरकार ने विकास की धारा को घर घर तक पहुँचाया। उसमें विकास ही हमारा आधार है, और जनता अब विकास चाहती है, बिहार का अपना और बच्चों का भविष्य उज्जवल चाहती है, इसलिए सब एनडीए के साथ है।
जो हमारी एनडीए घटक दल है वो पहले ही सीट शेयरिंग के साथ अपने अपने सीटों पे लग गए। महागठबंधन में अभी लठबंधन है। अभी ये तो उन्होंने सीट घोषित की है, बाकी जो बचे हुए हैं, जो 11 को चुनाव होने हैं, लेकिन जो 6 नवंबर को चुनाव होने हैं उसमें 50 से ज़्यादा सीट पर तो सबने अपना अपना खड़ा कर दिया। राजद ने भी खड़ा कर दिया, कांग्रेस ने भी खड़ा कर दिया, माले ने भी, मुकेश सहनी की भी पार्टी ने। तो वहाँ पर जो कुछ हुआ अभी ये गठबंधन नहीं है, ये लठबंधन है। उनका फोकस बिहार का विजय नहीं है, बिहार का विकास नहीं है, बिहार के लोगों का सुविधा बढ़े, ये नहीं है। इनका अपना घर कैसे भरे, कैसे भ्रष्टाचार कर सकें सत्ता लोलुप लोग, इनको बिहार की जनता पहचान चुकी है।